In the world of digital marketing, the pressure is just relentless, right? Your clients want top-tier SEO results, and they kind of wanted them yesterday. But that old playbook of just grinding it out with manual work and long hours, it's not just inefficient anymore, it's actively holding you back. So how do you actually break that cycle? Well, let's dive into a powerful new approach that can help you not just keep up, but really get ahead of the curve. Okay, if you run an agency, does this question hit a little too close to home? You're juggling demanding clients, you're trying to chase those results, and your team, they're stretched to the absolute limit. It feels like this constant trade-off, doesn't it? You either scale the agency or you maintain the quality of your work. But what if you didn't have to choose? We call this the agency squeeze. Client demands are just going through the roof, and Google's algorithm feels like it changes every other day. Your traditional manual SEO methods, they just can't keep up. I mean, just think about it. How long does it take to manually research and cluster thousands of keywords for just one new client? By the time you're done, the whole search landscape has probably shifted again. You're always playing catch up. So how do you break free from that squeeze and actually start leading the pack? Well, the answer is in a modern, incredibly effective solution that is completely changing the game for agencies of all sizes. And it's called White Label AI SEO. So what in the world is White Label AI SEO? Let's break it down. It's basically a partnership where a specialized provider handles all the heavy lifting of technical SEO using some seriously powerful AI tools. Then, your agency gets to offer these top-tier services to your clients completely under your own brand. It means you can deliver amazing results without the huge cost and time of building out a whole in-house department from the ground up. And this slide, man, it just lays it all out, plain and simple. With traditional in-house SEO, you can only grow as fast as you can hire people. And that means huge overheads from salaries and training, and these slow manual processes that just create bottlenecks. But with a white label AI model, suddenly, scalability is instant. Your costs become predictable, and the delivery of really complex SEO tasks gets automated and becomes lightning fast. And look, this isn't just some tiny little upgrade we're talking about. This is a fundamental shift in how agencies operate and grow. So what are the big advantages that are convincing so many agency leaders to make the switch to an AI-powered approach? Honestly, the benefits here are an absolute game changer. First off, you can scale and take on more clients without the insane overhead of hiring. The AI delivers these data-driven insights with a kind of precision that a human just can't match manually. Automation also dramatically reduces human error, which means more consistent, higher quality work for your clients. And because everything's faster, you're getting reports and results out the door quicker, all while keeping complete control over your agency's brand. This chart really puts it into perspective, doesn't it? As you can see, things like data analysis speed and cost efficiency are just massively increased. I mean, we're talking a huge leap in speed. And check out that third bar. The human error rate absolutely plummets. This means you can deliver better, more accurate results for your clients way faster than ever and at a lower operational cost. It's a win-win-win. Okay, so a big question that always comes up is AI going to replace my team of human experts? And the answer is a huge, resounding no. Actually, it's the exact opposite. AI is here to make your experts even more valuable. Let's see how. Here's the most important thing to get. AI doesn't replace the strategist. It supercharges them. I like to think of it like a Formula One team. The AI is the car. It's this incredibly powerful engine with amazing analytics. But you still need a world-class driver. That's your human expert to read the data, navigate the track, and actually win the race. The AI handles the grunt work, freeing up your team to focus on what they do best, high-level strategy and creativity. So here's how that amazing collaboration actually plays out. First, the AI instantly crunches all the numbers, analyzing massive sets of keywords and auditing entire websites to find patterns humans might miss. Then it uses predictive analytics to forecast which content topics and keywords are most likely to perform the best. And finally, your team takes these powerful, data-backed insights and uses their expertise to build brilliant, creative strategies that drive real, measurable results. Let's make this super real for a second. So instead of your team burning hours just chasing a super broad keyword like running shoes, the AI instantly finds a whole universe of related high-intent terms. Things like best running shoes for flat feet, lightweight trail running shoes for women, or how to choose marathon running shoes. This lets your strategists create content that perfectly matches what specific users are actually looking for, which is exactly how you win with Google today. Or, hey, let's talk about technical SEO for a second. Imagine an automated site audit that's running 24/7. It can spot a critical issue, like a broken redirect or a sudden drop in page speed, the second it happens and flag it to be fixed. It's proactive, not reactive. This means you're protecting your clients' rankings around the clock and keeping their websites at peak performance, which builds an incredible amount of trust. At the end of the day, this all comes down to one thing: building real, lasting value. So, what's the actual payoff for your agency, and maybe even more importantly, for your clients? So, when you look at a truly successful agency, it's always built on these four pillars you see here: client trust, measurable ROI, high client retention, and of course, agency profitability. This AI powered model feeds directly into every single one of them. When you deliver consistent, data backed results, you build rock solid client trust. That trust leads to way higher retention rates, and by operating more efficiently, you seriously boost your agency's profitability. See, they all work together. And what does this feel like for your clients? Well, they get to see clear, transparent reports that are backed by hard data, not just guesswork. They can watch measurable progress toward their business goals happen right before their eyes. And most importantly, they get the confidence that their SEO strategy isn't some set it and forget it plan. No, it's a living, breathing strategy that's constantly adapting to whatever Google or the market throws at it. So look, if there's only one thing you remember from all of this, let it be this: success in modern SEO is no longer a choice between AI and human experts. It's all about creating a powerful combination, blending the incredible speed and analytical power of AI with the irreplaceable creativity and strategic insight of your team. That combination isn't just unbeatable, it's the future of SEO. So let's wrap up with a really important question for you to think about. The world of search is evolving at a breakneck pace. Adopting solutions like White Label AI SEO isn't just about being more efficient, it's about survival. It's about future-proofing your business. So, is your agency truly built for the future of search? And if not, what are you going to do about it?